I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need compatible hardware and a current backup, so start now. Update to iOS 18. 2 or later, sign into iCloud and plug the iPhone into power. Once done, open Settings and tap Apple Intelligence to begin activation. This initiates permissions prompts and local model downloads. Make sure to permit Siri, dictation, and analytics where prompted, because Apple Intelligence uses these inputs to personalize results. If a workplace or managed profile exists, check device management settings before proceeding to avoid blocked features. You'll now grant specific permissions that power features. Allow microphone for voice interaction, photos access for image understanding, and location for contextual suggestions. Once allowed, tap Personalization and choose on device models to prioritize privacy and speed. This reduces cloud calls and improves responsiveness. Make sure to set your data sharing level. Minimal keeps most processing local, while enhanced enables richer experiences. If you want faster results, allow background updates so models download and refresh without manual steps. You're almost finished. Restart the iPhone to finalize model installation and system routing. After reboot, test Apple Intelligence by asking a short query, sending an image to Notes, or requesting a summary. Observe latency and accuracy. If things don't work, make sure iOS is latest. Then toggle Apple Intelligence off and on in Settings. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and back in or reset network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall pending iOS updates and retry, as model fixes often ship with system patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.